think Newcastle's a very safe place. There is a lot of security around on the campus and even just outside the campus.
And your parents don't have to worry about when you move out and then live alone.
We provide 24/7, 365 days a year security, and that's in the form of officers, and we have an awful lot of CCTV, access control and technology.
I think it's the security most importantly for me. I've spent 1 year here and the campus has been safe. It's the library is open 24/7. That's amazing for me.
Got to the airport, there was a meet and greet that Northumbria organised for me, and I got to meet quite a lot of people. They're just waiting, they were in exactly the same experience in exactly the same place. We just arrived to Newcastle for the first time, and I'm friends with them ever since.
Parents care about the safety because you are coming here alone, so finding a school accommodation will feel more safe that there are people who actually care.
Because not every university has the security service that we have. All of our security staff are first aiders. Security are our first line of response out of hours if something happens.
The university offers a free app called Safe Zone, which allows campus security to access your location 24/7 if you are in need of support on campus or out in town in Newcastle.
If, for example, you were coming into the university and something had happened, you would be alerted to that on the Safe Zone app. If, for example, the library was closed for something temporarily, it would tell you that. So it's very useful. It works as a GPS system. You can press the red button on the screen and security, as you say, in the blink of an eye, would be able to come and see you.
In Freshers Week, we had the police come in and they gave a talk about if we were ever stuck late at night, and we could ask them, and there's a taxi company that if you show your student card, they'll take you home and you can pay back through the university. So if you were ever unsure, that there was always somebody on hand, and that was really good to know, especially on Freshers Week.
We work with a number of external partners, including Northumbria Police, Newcastle City Council and other local businesses to talk about how we can particularly support our students and their safety.
I don't worry at all when she's on campus at all, because I know that there's always someone at hand if there's any problems.